Uh, I hope next year again we will have more fun like this. Thank you.
I'm an Avia's father and really happy to see the achievement that I can see the changes in my child. I really admire the kind of marvelous changes that I can see in my kid. Thank you. Thank you so much, Makoons.
Thank you, Makoons.
It's been a great pleasure to be here, and thank you all Makun teachers. Thanks a lot.
मेरा नाम पंकज है और वाइफ का नाम रितु सिंह और हमारी बेटी आदित्रि सिंह वो पिछले मतलब 1 साल से यहाँ पे है, लगभग 8-9 महीने से। तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट हमें देखने को मिला है इसमें। तो बाकी सब एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड।
और ये स्कूल के नाम पे बहुत एक्साइटेड रहती है स्कूल आने के लिए। सैटरडे संडे का मतलब सैटरडे संडे भी से स्कूल जाना है। और थैंक्स टू टीचर इसकी बहुत अच्छी हैं, स्पेशली श्वेता एंड साक्षी मैम।
We were really honored to be here, and सबसे ज़्यादा I would feel that I was feeling I've never expected that my kid is going to a smaller. She's just 2 point, and only day before yesterday she's become like 3, and for a 3 years old child it was really like I can't expect her to do all this type of 2 dances. Very nice, and all the children were so beautifully, gracefully dancing, and they were trained properly. The efforts from the teacher, from the staff, and from especially the choreographer, who have taken a lot of courage to make them stand on their feet. These small children, when we get them admissions in the Makoons, they were not able to even speak properly, and today in front of us they are dancing and they are on the beats, they're performing on the stage. It's really I'm feeling so special on today.
It's a nice school, and my kid is learning very good.
I just thank you. Thanks a lot. We see your progress in Madhav, and we are very happy with the Makoon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Really nice experience here. Basically the arrangement was really good, and kids have performed really well. So we really enjoyed, and thanks a lot to Makoonites and Makoon team and teachers and all the parents. That it was really very nice experience. Thank you.
My name is Amit Tripathi. She is Garima, and this is my son, Ayansh Tripathi. We are pretty happy with Makoons. There are enough opportunities for kids to enjoy, to grow, to learn. So this has been a pretty good experience so far.
So much Makoons. We are really very happy that we have registered our kid with you guys, and we are really happy and really proud of him that the way he's performing, and he has done the performance today. We are really happy. Thank you.
I think what we expected, we got more than what we expected, and I think we're very happy with our kids' performance. Thank you, Makoons, for bringing this side of my kid out. Thank you.
Hi. It was very nice function. Actually, we enjoyed thoroughly and kids were doing very well. It was very fantastic. Thanks a lot. Bye.
It's been a wonderful effort by the school, and particularly the person who choreographed the function. It was a very good effort by all of them, and I was not aware that my child could go to the stage so early in his age. It's been a very good effort by the school overall. Thanks.
वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस था। इतने छोटे बच्चों को इतना मैनेज करना, हैट्स ऑफ टू द मैकून स्कूल, एंड प्लस जो कोरियोग्राफर, जो इतने छोटे बच्चों को जिन्होंने हैंडल किया, एंड द टीचर्स, वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ देम. थैंक यू.
That was a very wonderful experience to see the kids performing like this. It was amazing to see your son on stage for the first time, and he was doing dance like anything, and we are so happy to see that. Thanks a lot, Makoon.
That was also a wonderful experience for us to have this wonderful experience for little kids like this, and we are very thankful to Makoon's preschool for this wonderful experience. Thank you.
Hi, I'm as a Vatsal father. I just want to give thanks to Makoons, and it's a really good function which they have organized with the well managed, and I hope every parent has been enjoyed a lot with the kids. Thanks to Makoons.
Thank you so much, Makoons, for this wonderful Sunday, and we really love it, and we actually wanted to do this kind of events every time. Thank you so much.
Hi Macoons. As you know, earlier we were really reluctant कि पता नहीं कैसा करेगा, क्या होगा, दीवा डांस कर पाएगी नहीं कर पाएगी. But seriously, you brought so much joy to us and our family. दीवा का पहला function stage में उसका पहला performance, and she really enjoyed it a lot, and she is really happy. Say thank you. Okay.
Thank you, Macoons. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
A special thanks to Sapna ma'am and Richie ma'am. Due to them, Vansh is really developing, and the way he interacts, the way his development is really commendable. So my special thanks to all Macoons team, especially Sapna ma'am and Richie ma'am. Keep doing good.
Very nice experience. Thanks to all the staff. Special thanks to her ma'am.
Thanks to Macoons and thanks to
Ria ma'am. Special thanks to her. Thank you so much.
Fantastic program organized by Macoons. Thank you, Macoons.
Thank you.
Hello Macoons, my two kids are coming here, and I'm very happy, and I'm very excited also, and teachers are so good, all they are taking very good care of my kids. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's been an absolute pleasure coming to Macoons. I think our daughter has gone way ahead than what she was about 6 months back when we got her admitted to Macoons, and it's been a tremendous journey. That's all what I can say.
Thank you, Macoons. It's been very nice to see our little ones dance on the dance floor, and it was really a pleasure to be here and see the performance. Thank you.
Thank you, Baldo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just wanted to share my opinion in terms of Macoons. जब हम लोगों ने एडमिशन कराया था मकून में बच्चे को, तो हम लोग बहुत डरते हुए जा रहे थे कि सोचा समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि नया नाम है, कुछ ज़्यादा मालूम नहीं है कैसा रहेगा. बट जब बाकी प्ले स्कूल्स में और मकून्स के बीच में हमने जो फैकल्टीज़ ने हमें समझाया, जिस तरह से काउंसलिंग करी, खाली यही चीज़ समझ में आई कि बाकी जगहों पे तो मोस्टली उनके लिए एक बच्चा ही है, केवल एक एडमिशन है. यहाँ पर उनके लिए एक लाइफ आ रही है जिसका उनको आगे शेप देना है. तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी एंड प्राउड कि मैंने ये डिसीजन लिया, एंड इट्स ऑल गुड. आई विश मकून्स ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द फ्यूचर and good luck. Thank you so much.
Hi, I am mother of Navya Garg. I really enjoyed her performance. Especially these kind of acts basically improve our child activities and morally support them.
I really thank you, Macoons, for inviting us for this annual feast. This is the first time that Macoons has celebrating their annual feast. It's really enjoyable things for us, for the parents. My small child, Mr. Pranjal, has got that Ernest Macooni's shield. Iska photo bhi aa raha hai? Yes. This is the time that he is very naughty boys in the school, but as we seen that he has got the Ernest Macooni's Pranjal shield. This is just opposite to that we have received the shield. And I am also very happy, and I do hope that this Macoons will definitely grow as they are high to this total. Thank you very much.
Hello. We have really enjoyed the afternoon with so many beautiful kids dancing on the stage, and this is the first time I think most of the parents have seen their kids dancing on stage. And stage fear is something which will go out once they will start doing such kind of performances very often. I would like to thank the school for giving all the kids this opportunity, and give them all the best for the next year and the years to come. Thank you.